you so much, Tala, for the very beautiful presentation on the event, as well as the all the staff are coordinated. Even though we had a rough patch with one of the suppliers, he still managed to provide us with a great time and even allowed us additional hours, minutes, additional minutes with our events. So thank you so much.
Right. Just like what my wife said, we thank you so much, Stala crew, for coordinating this wonderful event, this really special day with us. And though we have problems with our station, you still manage and give us more minutes to have this special day completed. Thank you so much. And especially to Sir Paulo for being so patient, and to the rest of the team. Sobrang thankful. So,